Man, do I have a fun surprise for you today. Today we just got in our Walcom 360 True Light, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on it. Okay, so I had my SEM rep come in, and he's also my Dent Fix rep. He's also my Walcom rep. I think he deals with a couple different things, but yeah, so I had him order this up. It was probably 2 months ago. I guess they're in high demand. And you know what? I haven't seen any videos on YouTube of anybody opening one of these things up and checking it out. These things are supposed to be a way big improvement on like the Luma 3. I know it's not the same brand, but Walcom makes these. What I heard about them is that it gives it a sun type of beam. It actually doubles as a color match light, and it comes with a bunch of different attachments on for every gun that you have. I know some guys will buy multiple of these type of lights. I was having issues seeing in my booth not so long ago, and I just wanted to be able to see just a little bit better, so I had my guy order this up. This thing I think ran about $360, $400, somewhere in there. But yeah. Alright, so yeah, the packaging looks nice, everybody. It's a True Light Evo, it's called. Like I said, this is universal. It'll fit on any gun. I even heard my Dent Fix guy or Walcom rep guy say that. They even put them on Harbor Freight guns. So these are a new deal here, made by Walcom, made in Italy. So let's go ahead and open it up. I think I'm going to like it on my SATA. Okay, let's see what we got here. I do like the packaging a lot. Wow. This thing is a monster. I was definitely not expecting it to be this big. Was definitely not expecting that. That is freaking sweet. So yeah, it's a really sleek setup. Looks like it's going to fit over my gun really nicely. Stay out of the way from everything else. Hopefully that doesn't interfere with the SATA. Yeah, so we might have to run it this way. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to check it out. At least unbox it, everybody. We're going to do a full review on it later down the road. And here's all the attachments that come with. So let's get everything right out of the box and check it out. So yeah, here's all your different attachments. I haven't read any sheets or anything yet. Actually never even seen one mounted on anything yet. So this is all new to me. Here's your charging cable. Looks like a Type-C charger, pretty standard. But yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. Looks like we probably got the power button there. Here's your USB port. Looks really nice. I'm not sure if this plastic, I'm sure this plastic might have to stay on. I think that's probably it's called a diffuser. So what this diffuser does makes it so that it doesn't glare back into your face so much. It kind of acts like your plume lights, what we'd use with video recording and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on and see what it looks like. Might need charged. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and charge that up. I think I'm gonna read some of these instructions. Nice little pamphlet, tell you the different light options. I'm sure it'll go dimmer and brighter and blah 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 and stuff like that. So it tells you the different gun options, how to mount it. So yeah, real cool stuff. I think this is the first time I've ever received a product that was dead out of the box, which is kind of funny. I mean, cell phones, nothing ever comes dead out of the box. Usually they give them a little charge. So hopefully this thing works. We're gonna go ahead and give it a charge up and we'll be back. Alright, we gave her a good 15 minutes or so to charge. I just want to do a little demonstration. Pretty neat. Looks like it lights up a little bit when it is charging. Alright, we're going to unplug it right here. We're going to turn it on and see what happens. Holy cow. That thing is pretty sweet. And I see it's like got almost a white light to it, like a sun type of light. And as far as I know, there was a way to change the color temperature. I don't think we're going to get into all that today. I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing video and get it mounted on my gun. So I'm going to assume the current ring in it right now is set up for the Walcom gun. I'm just gonna take a wild guess. Walcom makes good guns, everybody. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna find the one that fits the SATA. That's pretty damn close right there. Okay. Yeah, look at that, first one we grab. Then we're gonna put this on kind of upside down because maybe we gotta put it in the holder first. It's okay, I didn't read the directions, that's what I get, right? Yeah, so on the SATA, looks like it's gotta be upside down, which is fine. Doesn't really matter. But like opposed to the DeVilbiss, it wouldn't matter which way you put it. Get our little charger port closed back up here. Let's see if we can get this thing pushed onto our gun. I think really it just pushes right on. Just like that, everybody. Kind of interferes a little bit with the cap. Not too bad though. You just turn that bad boy on and get to spraying. That thing is pretty sweet. That thing's super bright. I just grabbed the color card, it's a little dusty, just to see. And it really does a pretty decent job. You got my color match light and see the difference. I mean, it seems brighter than my color match light almost. I feel like we got a couple different spectrums here. This one's more blue on the right, then this one's kind of more red or yellow, whatever. So this is a cooler light. And like I said, there might be a way to change color settings. I'm not 100% sure yet. But all in all, so far I'm pretty impressed with this. We're going to do a complete review on this, and I'm going to see how it sprays. I'm going to do a couple tests and everything, and yeah. All right, everybody, so my final thoughts on this so far. It's pretty sweet. It's super bright. I definitely think it's a huge contender of the Luma 3. And I think Walcom did a great job on quality and everything so far. And like I said, we're going to do a full review of this thing. So stick around, everybody. And if you like this video, everybody, I want you to go check out this one over here. Other than that, I want everybody to go hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. And this has been Murder the Finish.